Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video of TNE by Canada. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to use the key fob, which is one of the very important feature on the Dalat V1 e-bikes collection. In this key fob, you're gonna have a anti-theft alarm system. So to use this, there's gonna be 4 buttons in total on the key fobs. So the first one gonna be a lock mode. The second one is the unlock mode. The third one is the alarm, and then the fourth one is where you can turn on your light. So to use this, you guys have to turn on the battery first. So for the first feature, it's gonna be lock mode. When you press that, the bike gonna lock itself, and then the anti-theft alarm mode gonna kick in. So the way it works is when somebody try to move the bike, it's gonna make an alarm like this. And then, or even if they try to turn it on, it's gonna make a big alarm. To unlock the bike, you're gonna press the second button. Okay, when you hear the 2 beep sounds, it means that the bike is unlocked, and the lock gonna be 1 beep sound. So this is unlocked, this is locked. Moving on to the third button. So this button is when you want to turn on the alarm, so you just simply press that. And then the last function is the 4th button. So this button, when you press it 2 times, it's gonna turn on the light. So this feature is gonna help you guys find your bike easier in the parking lot, especially at night time where the light is not accessible. Okay, so you simply just press that 2 times, so the whole bike gonna turn on the rear light and also the front light. So that's it, guys. So that's how you guys use the key fob and anti-theft alarm system on the Dalat V1 e-bikes. All of our models of the Dalat V1, from the vintage edition, sport edition, dual battery edition, and also the Peace edition, always come with these key fobs and the anti-theft alarm system as standard. So you guys don't have to pay extra money for this system. It's come with it. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one, guys.